Here we go again. Another company, another PPFD map that is complete bullshit. I started this new hydro grow and got this sexy looking light by Famurs that was supposed to make my buds look just as sexy. Unfortunately, the quality did not match the looks. This light comes with a dimmer and one rope clip hanger, and I attempted to hang it with their tools, which failed miserably. I tested the PPFD readings, and the max reading in the center of the light barely got over 900. That means that everywhere else is way less, and I noticed on the outside of the tent, it only gets up to 350, which is not practical for bloom or flowering, so I can't use this. Again, another company to avoid. I just can't believe how Amazon lets these companies list these lights that are clearly false advertising. Hopefully I'll find a company that's reliable.